Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome to Proformance Unlimited. Of course, we like to run a lot of motors on the dyno here. Every engine that we build is built by Doug, who's got many, many years of experience, and every engine goes on a dyno to verify the torque and horsepower. We also check for oil leaks, water leaks, any kind of annoying issue to try to do some preventive stuff here before the customer gets the motor. But that's what we do here at Proformance Unlimited. That's what sets us apart from most of the other shops out there. This happens to be a 450 horse package, 347 small block 4. We build a ton of them. They're available with many different combinations of oil pans, valve covers. This happens to have a SBF pulley system on it. We also offer the March pulley systems. The SBF system is becoming more and more popular. We like them. Nice strong bracketry. It's also got the 8-rib belt versus the 6-rib. So it just really depends on the customer's own desires. I mean, like I said, we custom build every engine here one at a time. So if you've got an idea, run it by us. We'll design an engine around it, make sure that it's got all the proper parts in it to handle the use that you want to put it through. Like I said, we build Fords here, Chevys, Chryslers, Pontiacs, Oldsmobiles, any domestic V8 engine from the 60s all the way up to our unbelievable LS series. Check out the new website, it'll be coming out soon. We think we build the best LS engines in the country. So check us out online, customcrateengines.com by Proformance Unlimited. Also, like I said, be looking for that new LS website, it'll be coming out soon. Or give us a call, 800-267-3940. Everybody have a good day out there.
Okay, Larry, we have your 347 done here for your 1934 Ford car or truck. I don't know exactly. We have it written up as a 34 Ford. Let's fire it up. Nice. See that, how we got that thing tuned? Turn a key and fire up. How's that? What we got, Matt?
484 horsepower, 455, 56 foot-pounds.
Nice. Here we go. My man, beautiful motor.